Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. Today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. This is the card. I will leave it here. And one card from the fortune cookie deck. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys. Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Gemini. So let's start the reading with these cards here. So we have Fox, Scythe, and Cross. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are in some difficult circumstance, guys. Maybe you do not understand the reason for troubles. Maybe you see people really good with you, people are talking to you in a nice way, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life. You see all smiling faces and encouraging and cheerful talk, but there are some troubles in your work. Maybe things are not going as planned or expected. So, some difficulties are there. The reason maybe you have some hidden enemies. Maybe there is someone in your work situation, maybe, or in your personal life. They are posing as your friend or a family member, and their intentions are not good. So, you need to, what to say, guys, stay away from this person. Maybe they are here to make use of your skills and talents. So you need to be careful, guys. And even in this relationship, you may feel that something is not right, something is missing in this relationship. You are a loving and caring person, but the way this person is towards you, it is something, what to say, something causing a lot of stress on you, lot of pain, confusion for you today. And maybe you are even thinking of, what to say, taking a break from this relationship, moving away from this person. So it may be your energy or their energy, guys, towards this relationship. But your circumstances are changing, guys, Gemini. Because with these cards, I see that maybe you have troubles, maybe you have people with evil intentions, jealous people trying to use you. But all those circumstances are changing today, even in this relationship. Maybe with this person, you may feel that they are not like you, they are not open minded, they are not communicating to you in a good way, like you. Whatever issues you have, all that is going to resolve. Things will change. There is some kind of, what to say, dramatic change happening today in this relationship, guys. And you have your own, maybe Gemini today, if you are interested in meditation or some ritual, some practice, maybe some chanting. If you are interested, you can do that, guys. If you believe in that, that is going to give you lot of clarity and peace of mind. So we will see what is the card for your relationship, and it says ring. So it looks like maybe this circumstances is resolving and there is a chance for a commitment, a deeper commitment, or even marriage. So this person may understand you or you may understand them, and this relationship may move towards marriage or commitment, guys, after all these difficulties. This is going to come like a simply like a shock for you guys, a happy shock today, Gemini. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. So for your career, we have coffin. With this card for your career circumstance, guys, there are some changes, maybe some delays you may see in your work or some suspensions of projects. But whatever these changes are happening for a reason, for something better to come in your life today, Gemini. So you can be happy for that. So you are going to see better opportunities than before, Gemini, in your career situation. So for your moon energies, Gemini, we have this card. Emotions are running high, super moon. So, with this card, it just means that it is going to be a very emotional day. Maybe if you are thinking, if you have some questions regarding your relationship, how successful is this relationship going to be, or how successful your work is going to be, maybe some projects or whatever it is. The answer is it's going to be very successful, guys. But there are a lot of emotions also you need to deal with today, and something very exciting is coming today, guys. Something very exciting is happening today, just like the super moon. It is something rare. Just like that, rare opportunities are coming towards you, and you need to make use of it because it's not going to be there and it's not going to repeat again, guys, in your circumstances today, Gemini. So that is what this card is about. So today you are feeling really special, confident, cheerful, happy, and there is a positive outcome waiting to unfold in your life today, guys, Gemini. So that is the energy with these cards. So let's see what is the fortune cookie for y'all today. Opportunities, an important offer will be made, be prepared and rest to impress. So that is the energy here with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.